Today, with all the research available, with science of positive psychology, aka science of happiness, with hundreds of millions or billions of dollars invested to help people become happier, do you and or your clients still struggle to be happy or happier? Most of us do. Did you know that research shows happy people are successful? Would you like to become happier? What if you could finally learn the scientifically proven methods to help you change your existing bad habits and introduce new good habits? What would your life and the life of those around you look like if you can make this happen? Everything you want to do in life, everything starts with habits. Regardless if you want to start exercising, start meditating, lose weight, gain weight, get another job, improve relationships, everything starts with habits. Hi, my name is Braco Pobric, and I am the best-selling author of this great book, Habits and Happiness. I am a certified positive psychology coach, certified neurolinguistic practitioner, and former globally certified Dale Carnegie trainer and business coach. I also work, my full-time job, I work as an executive in a large financial firm, but my passion is to teach people how to become happier and therefore even more successful in any area of your life that you choose to do so. In this short course, I will give you an overview of how habits work, introduce you to 7 secrets, give you an exercise after each lecture, and therefore help you change your habits. I will also provide a full tutoring during and after course completion. So if you are looking for short lecture, something that can quickly help you change your life, and willing to create a better life for yourself, your family, your partner, friends, then this course is for you. There is a link to this program in the description box. So, still want to change some habits? Come inside and I will show you how.